Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with a collective thrift haul from Savers and Half Price Books. I shopped with my daughter Emmy and we found some really fun items. One of them is this beautiful nursery rhyme book. It has some vintage looking images, but I think this is a pretty new book. It shows here the copyright was 2011. But I like the fact that it has these beautiful vintage illustrations in the book. So super excited. I might use it for a junk journal possibly. Some of the items that I did buy I am keeping as part of my book collection. Another fun book that I found, super excited. So this Japanese illustrator is pretty popular for her illustrations. I was so happy to see this beautiful Christmas book. This one was $1.29 as well. And I'll just show you how precious these illustrations looks like. They look all cuddly, even Santa Claus here. I'll show you a page. You see the little babes waiting the night before Christmas. And then we have Santa. Look at him, he is so cute. I love this. This is so adorable. So we have that one. Another classic book that I found, and this one's really vintage. It was from a library and it looks like it was discarded. The price was $1.29 as well. So you have a library book. So this is definitely going to be part of some of my junk journal projects. And it looks like the earliest book that was checked out was 1984. And the last one was 1999. So super cool. There is some dirt on some of the pages, so I am going to take the book apart and make a nice junk journal out of this book. So another book that I was happy to find was Edward Lear's, and it's just very quirky. I like it with the animals. This is the cover. It's pretty worn. I just went ahead, and this is the dust cover of the book, and took it off to show you this beautiful little page here in the front. It's so nice. And inside, look at the magic in this book. So I am going to add this to my children's book collection. I don't feel like I want to take this book apart, but I'll just show you some of the beautiful images. Here, look at this. We have the fox also, and then they say the storyline is along the lines of Noah's Ark. That's why you see a lot of animals in here. So I'm going to have to read that and see what it's about. Another fun find that we found at Savers were this young children's encyclopedia. And what grabbed me was the streetcar, and of course the vintage look. This was $1.99. Inside, didn't really see a lot of pages that I would like to keep, but this again will definitely be a junk journal holder project here that I'm going to use, so I can I'll take out the pages and reuse it. But these are some of the pretty images that I really liked inside. I think it looks so dreamy with this young boy looking out the window. There's some snow, so I'm sure I'll find more images. Like these were some of the images I didn't really care for. But yeah, this is going to be fun to work with. So excited to do that and use it. Now another book set that they had some tiny book bundles, and this was $1.29. And I love miniature versions of books, and I saw Little Miss Tuffet. So I think I'm going to make this also into a mini junk journal. Let's have a look and see what the other books are. So here's a little nursery rhyme booklet. Looks really cute. And we have a hollow spine there. And then here are some cute images of Little Miss Muffet. And here you go. Now the other one, these are little phonics books. And There's some fun pages as well that can be used for junk journals. We have a little cat here, super cute with the yarn. And then there are some here that I'm going to share with my nephew. He is 3, so I think he'll like these truck phonics reading books that he can learn to kind of read. And he loves trucks. So going to share that with him. Next, I also, my daughter actually spotted this. So she has a little bit of a collection of these dog figurines. She's a dog lover. I think she has 3 of them right now. So she wanted this Cocker Spaniel, $2.99 to add to her collection. And then we found this really cute one. It looks like a pencil holder. At the bottom, there's a price of $24.90. Looks like it might have been in a souvenir shop. So I'm gonna open it and show you a little bit more. So super cute. It has this adorable pup carrying a backpack, and it can definitely be a little pencil holder for her that she can put at her desk. So I think this is super cute for $3.99. The next item was this set here, and what caught my eye were these QPs. And I wanted to see what they look like and if they were magnets. Let's have a look. So there are frames that are included here, and I usually use these flat frames to put pictures that I send off to my in-laws. So this was a $3.99 bundle or set. So let's have a look and see what's in here. So we have these magnet type little clear frames, and it looks like this was from Big Lots. Nice little wooden frame that can definitely be used. And then we have these QPs, and it's a series, which is awesome. I think I love these. I have a set of stickers that I have. So these are actual mirrors. Oh wow, that's super cool. So let me just look and see how much these retail for. Usually you can find them on Etsy. Let me just check that real quick. So I checked on Etsy and found a set of 3, and they were being sold for $10.99. I'll have to look on eBay as well and compare. But these are cute. I am definitely keeping these. These are so adorable. I love it. There's one here where they're eating, and I'll just show you a little bit more closer. So here is a closer look at these 3 mirrors. They are so cute. I love it. So I'm super happy to find them. Just paid $3.99 for a set plus extra frames. Super fun. So I'm going to put these beautiful mirrors aside over here. And then we have this last item from Savers, and I thought this was really cute, this plate set. $5.99, and there is a set of 4. Let's have a look and see. So let's look at this first plate. Looks like this kid lost her tooth, and it says Special Memories by Tom Newsom, a new tooth Mother's Day plate. It is porcelain trim with 22 karat gold, and this is decorative plate, and it says Avon 1986. How awesome! What a great collection. Here it says 1992, and the illustration is just so cute. So here we have the official thing here with the, it doesn't say who the artist is for this one. So that's one of them. And here is another one, says Recipe for Love. This is so adorable. 1993. And similar to that one, doesn't have the artist's name. That would have been nice, but it still says from Avon. And here is what kind of reminds me of Precious Moments illustration. School is a New Beginning. And here is the back with the name of the artist. I love this. Next up, wanted to show you some books that I found on clearance at Half Price Books. A Gypsy in the Parlor. Love the cover here, and the storyline looks very interesting. This says it was part of a book club edition. Let's see when this one was actually published. Let's see. So it says 1953. So one of the books. Another one here is a book by Dolly The dust cover is really worn out, but I want to be able to use this for a junk journal. And here is our cover. And then inside we have these beautiful images of some of Dolly's artwork, and I'm excited to look through them and read more about it as well. So that's one. Another artist that I really like is Van Gogh, and this one is actually an inspiration sketchbook. And sometimes it's nice to have writing, drawing, and journal prompts, and I think this one is perfect. I love the cover. Here we have an introduction, and I'll just show you the pages. Look how pretty that is. It features his work, and it kind of gives you a little inspiration on what to sketch if you'd like to do the same sketch or make your own. So I am excited to use this as a sketchbook. So love that one. Another one that I found, actually this one was from the Target Dollar Spot, and it was on sale from their Christmas. A collection of books there. These are regularly $5, but I thought the images of the animals in this book are just precious. And then we have a Christmas Carol in here. Look how nice that rabbit looks. So here you go. Just beautiful images here. Then I found a book here on antiques. Definitely can reuse this dust cover here. Look at the beautiful cover with the chair. And then we have some images of antique furniture. Look at that beautiful image. I believe that is a watch. So this one was published on 1973. So excited to look through here as well and learn more about antiques and possibly use them for some junk journaling projects. The next one has these beautiful images of memorable films for $3 here. So I love it. It's so nice to see kind of like some of the images from filmmaking back in the day. So I'm excited to see and read this book. Possibly also use it again for junk journaling, but not so sure yet. So we have that, and then I found this giant cigar box art poster book. It says it has 30 images, so let's have a look and see what's in the book. So now let's take a look and see what's inside. There's an introduction here, and we have some of these posters. I think these will make great covers for a junk journal. We have several images here, and some cars. We have a moose, and then we have a few more here in the back. Love this butterfly one and this adorable dog. So we have that one. Another one here, this is an etch art book. Says it regularly retails for $14.99, and this was on sale for $3. I just love these images. It's called Hidden Forest, and it has the little pencil with it. I was trying to look and see if there were any damages, and I could see little details here and there, but nothing magnificent to destroy the image. So I'm excited to work with this with my girls. So very nice images here. There was one, oh here, the fox that had some of this that was really sketched out instead of drawn in with like these broken lines as shown here. But that's okay, again, I can work with that. And then we have, oh, this big book here. It's called A Fine Romance, and again, this time this book covers Hollywood and Broadway. It's just nice to see these images and read more behind the scene type things. Here's The Sound of Music. I grew up watching that, so it's pretty cool to see this. And we have Natalie Wood here. And this one looks like the West Side Story. So you see it there. And this card, yeah, it just talks about the book. Can definitely be reused as a postcard. So I'm excited to read this. And this one looks like it would be, I think, My Fair Lady. I'm not sure, but I will read this, and I'm excited to read this book. Another book that I got from half price is Modernism from the National Gallery of Art, and this was on sale for $4. Retail price, let's see how much the previous price would be. It's covered under there, but I'm guessing it's over 20 bucks. It's a pretty heavy book. Oh, now I can't see it. But let's go ahead and open this beautiful book and see, so you can see how it is. Oh, here you go. So price, and this was the sale price at the bookstore. It was from $19.99, and you have the names of the artists that are featured here. So I love modern art as well, all kinds of art, and I love just the vibrant colors. The cover just shows you, and the back as well. So let's see, quick flip through here of some of the images in this beautiful book. So here's some that we have, and again, this will be fun to read on and learn more about the artists. Here's some beautiful ones here. These are more minimalist. Oh, I love this. This looks like acrylic on paper. Pretty awesome. So excited to read this book. And then this is the cover. So I can definitely use the cover, or this dust cover, for some snail mail or junk journaling, because it still has the original design on the front. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this collective thrift haul. I'll be back with more project shares and craft with me videos. Stay tuned for that. Again, thanks for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.